Hello and welcome to Only Finance. We are finance enthusiasts who spend most of our day in the stock market and we share some interesting news with you. Today, Nifty 50 has moved up 100 points and closed at 25,151. Sensex has moved up 349 points and closed at 82,131. And finally, Nifty Bank has moved up 9 points and closed flat at 51,152. Mid-cap index was moved down 73 points and closed at 16,635, whereas small cap index has moved down 33 points and closed at 7,305. We can say that for Nifty 50 today, majority of the market mover has begun in the evening. Next news is about SEBI. SEBI has warned investors about fraudulent practices by promoters of SMEs who artificially inflate stock prices through misleading information and corporate actions. They sell their holdings at higher prices, leaving investors with worthless shares. Data stored from Prime database shows that 152 SME IPOs this year have been launched with an average issue size of 33 crores and an average oversubscription of nearly 200 times. Because of this, SEBI is expected to take a lot of action on SME IPOs from now on. So the next news is about rice ban. So the ban on export of rice could be lifted, says Niti Aayog Ramesh Chand. So exactly a year ago, because of El Nino effect and the low paddy cultivation, government has imposed a ban on non-basmati white rice. So this could be now lifted because of the sufficient rainfall and the cultivation of paddy crops. So this will be positive for export stocks like KRBL and LT Foods because they could sell rice at premium prices in other countries. So the next news is about KEC International. Shares surged more than 7% after it won the contract worth of 1171 crores from Middle East. Because of this, we've seen a big positive momentum in the stock today. The next news is about PTC Industries. The issue of 7,000 crores through QIP opens today. The floor price is set to be 13,894.42 per share, which is 6% discount to previous closure. So because of this negative news, the stock has reacted negatively. The next news is about Interglobe Aviation, which is a parent company of Indigo, has seen a block deal of promoter sale likely today, which has 3.8% and rise nearly $804 million, which is nearly 6,745 crores in Indian rupees. The stock has surged so much because promoter and co-founder Gaganwal was selling nearly about 3.8%. The stock has seen some pressure. The next news is about power finance sector. UBS initiates buy call on power finance sectors like PFC and REC with respect to target price of 670 and 720 per share. And this is because strong growth supported by shift to renewables and infrastructure. And this would be done by key support from energy transition. Because of the rise in target price, thus the share has seen some positive momentum today. Earlier today, RBI has released information about credit cards. The total issue of credit cards stands at 10.45 crores, which is an increase of 16.35% year on year and 0.73% month on month, as well as spends are up 19% year on year and 1.7% month on month. The average spends per person stands at 16,554, as well as SBI has issued 1.93 crores credit card, which is an increase of just 10.2% year on year and 0.5% month on month. Average spends are down at 13,931, which is 16% less year on year and up by 5% quarter on quarter. SBI credit card has also lost its market share, which is 19.53 previous year, reduced to 18.49% this year, and also reduced its market share in spends also, which is 17.88% market share in July 2023, which is now stands at 15.56% July 2024.